Note to self, that was really cool.
Yeah.
That was backfire. They were giving those lanterns to a bunch of people just to get them to light up. Francine, this is just great.
Isn't it? That's right, get the music.
That was great. Yeah. I was like, note to self. We need to get more of those. Box in front.
Huh?
Box in front is great.
Yeah.
And I put box behind. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Just fabulous.
You know, my sister, she's walking down there in the middle of all of it.
Absolutely.
I just told him, I said, just go down there and mingle, and who you don't know, you'll know before you leave. He's like, okay. Oh, they were all talking to him. They, you know, I mean, kind of checking him out, making sure he's leave, not going to get any trouble. That's the only thing about these ones. At first they're a little loose, just kind of check it out a little bit before they...
Well, I know, like you said, nervous energy.
Yeah.
Get on the beach. I know my husband is happy dance.
Yeah, it gets so smoky down there, though. They have to let it clear out a little bit so you can see what they're doing.